Assalamualaikum and good day. Today we are going to talk about magnetic separation technology for recycling industry. I will start with the introduction first. What is magnetic separation? A magnetic separator is a piece of equipment that magnetically attract and remove foreign metal pieces from other materials. Magnetic separation system were first used after the Second World War in scrapyard. By the end of 1970s, magnetic separation went through another development with the introduction of their different form of separation becoming popular: overhead, magnet, magnetic pulleys, and the magnetic drum. For the last few years, magnetic separators are used for various separation process in the recycling industry like glass recycling, scrap materials, PET flakes, plastic recycling, rubber recycling, municipal solid waste MSW, e-waste recycling, etc.
A magnetic separator is a device that uses a magnet to remove impurities and other magnetic material from metal. It also can be used before, during and after the production of a material and can be just adjusted the production of a material to attract different type of magnetic material at a different intensity level. Its use is almost always industrial. Magnetic separator is used for a wide variety of applications. For example, it can be for ferromagnetic or paramagnetic and can be vary in size from a television to a large. Heavy drum is also used in recycling and other manufacturing applications. Magnetic separation is also one of the best process in which the magnetically caused material is detached easily by using a magnetic force. So for the proven is magnetic separator are used for various separation process in recycling industry like glass recycling, scrap material, PET flake, plastic recycling, rubber recycling, and e-waste recycling. Magnetic separation are also one of the best method of sorting recyclable material. The power of magnetic device to sort ferrous product from non-magnetic debris. And it's the most trusted machine used to recover metal from waste material. And it's also easy separation process to detach a fine particle which have a poor magnetic properties. It's also provide an excellent separating effect as it's use a dynamic magnetic system design. Recycling industry are using magnetic separator because of their various advantage, like they can handling a large capacity and low maintenance rate and simple structure and also adjustable magnetic field intensity.
Next, there are many different types of machines are utilized in many industries across the world, particularly in the recycling industry. For example, the first machine is eddy current separator. Eddy current separator, also known as the most trustworthy separator, which is used to separate important non-ferrous metals such as aluminium, brass, copper, lead, and so on. It also offers the benefit of a high frequency and a good separation capacity. For your information, eddy current separator is strongly built with anti-vibration pads, and its powerful magnet quality delivers the best and smoothest separation for the recycling sector. Eddy current also offers the greatest separation in service in the recycling industry, including plastic, rubber, glass, and so on. Next is overband magnetic separator. These magnetic separators are well known for their impressive talent for extracting tramp iron from material being processed on a conveyor belt or a vibratory feeder. Overband magnetic separators are also used to secure devices such as crusher and shredder by eliminating ferrous particle and a heavy dust particle. And the last one is magnetic head pulley. This machine specially intended to separate tramp metal such as steel, chains, and tools. Magnetic head pulley are also used in the recycling industry to separate steel, local garbage, and a variety of other ferrous contaminants such as cane, nuts, nails, and so on. It is also simple to install in the discharge conveyor and is widely used in the recycling industry of paper, wood, steel, mining, recycling, scrapyard, and a variety of other materials.
There are advantage and disadvantage for magnetic separation technology for a recycling industry. The advantage is simple structure and adjustable magnetic field intensity. The simple structure simplified magnetic separation to occur in the recycling industry. This is because a basic magnetic separation can be built at any time. The waste mixture only needs to be put into the main feed and the magnetic separation technology will process weekly. For example, the non-metallic material will be separated first, then the metallic material will fall into different container. Next, for weekly, paramagnetic mineral can only be effectively recovered using high intensity. The gap between the field pole and rotor is adjustable and is usually decreased from pole to pole to take off successively weaker magnetic product. So, simple structure and adjustable magnetic field intensity in magnetic separation technology simplify the recycling process. The main disadvantage magnetic separator is magnetic separator must be constant maintained. For example, the magnetic separator should be washed or cleaned to remove accumulated magnetic material when it has been used for a long time. Next, the oil should be added to moving part in magnetic separator to ensure the process is not interrupted. While in the case of an electromagnetic separator, the electromagnetic separator must be able to be switched off at any time when case of emergency happen. So, to keep unwanted thing from happening, make sure maintenance is done on a regular.
In conclusion, the report was show how magnetic separation applies a recycling industry using many types of machine. Magnetic separation technology is the most important technology for any recycling industry. Machines are not able to provide the best separation solution in the various fields of recycling industry like plastic, rubber glass, municipal solid waste, e-waste, and PET. After facing this oil issue regularly, they are looking for high capacity, which is having high intensity magnets to remove impurity easily. Magnetic separation is the process in which the magnetically cursed material is detached easily by using a magnetic force. It uses the power of magnetic device to sort ferrous products from non-magnetic debris. Magnetic separation technology is one of the best methods for sorting recyclable materials. I hope that the industry produce many technologies and machines to carry out magnetic separation.